The lies that women tell to initiate the chase. Hey there, it's Anna. Let's talk about lies. Yeah, probably not the topic that you wanted to hear, but let's talk about why women lie and the most common lies that you will hear them say to, one, gain control in your relationship dynamic, but two, the most important reason, to get you to chase her. AKA bonus tip that will uncover the deep psychology of why some women lie, so that you can be 10 steps ahead of any mind games and avoid wasting your time. Let's dive in. The subtle lies of banter. Banter is a great sign that someone isn't too serious and wants to have fun with you. Some women, dare I say, the immature ones that haven't unlocked a higher level of intelligence, start their lies here. Things may be going great with someone, you're chatting with this person, and then all of a sudden she blurts out, yeah, I love football, or yeah, Tyranids are my favourite Warhammer players. And right there you want to draw hobbies and interests, but if you really focus on this, you will find she doesn't really go into the lore of Warhammer or talk about the latest drama in football. Or you may find yourself dating this woman and months down the line a sadness washes upon you as you realise she has lied about her interests to keep you interested. Yup, that was a pick-me move to get you to chase her. You can counteract these lies by asking follow-up questions immediately to test if she is lying to get you to chase her or if she only happens because, life. But if you've noticed that she still seems keen, shows many signs of genuine interest, such as eye contact, engagement in conversation and subtle touches, yet cancels your plans to see how, if you see that she is unavailable or not so easy to pin down, she appears more attractive and harder to get. Therefore, you may also notice that nothing you suggest seems good enough, such as trying out that new restaurant or engaging in a thrilling activity together. She finds a way to poke holes in your plans, yet she still wants you to keep on suggesting other ideas. It may not always be as innocent as it sounds. It might be subtle manipulation to evoke jealousy in you, to judge how much you like her. One is progressing to the next step, so she isn't sure how you feel about her, but rather than speak up and ask, she resorts to seeing how jealous you become. You may even notice she tries to make you feel jealous after an argument because she wants you to see another person as a threat and that she is still wanted by many. Therefore, you need to try harder and chase her. Now, yeah, I know, I apologise on behalf of all women. Hey, are you liking this video so far? It would make my day if you liked the video and left your comments down below and shared your thoughts. I would really appreciate it. I'm fine. You've heard this one, I'm sure. It's usually teamed up with a side of silent treatment. It's a form of manipulation and an attempt to communicate her unmet needs. She may be lying and telling you that she's fine when her behaviour says otherwise. Despite you asking her 5 times what's wrong, little did you know that it was the 6th time that she was actually going to tell you what is wrong. This behaviour is usually to get you to chase her and provide emotional warmth so she feels safe enough to open up and talk. She is wanting reassurance that you are still interested and apologetic if you have done something that she disagrees with. I'm not ready for a relationship. Yet, she acts like she is in a relationship with you. Unpacking the fear behind this phrase tells us that it might stem from past experiences or a lack of self-trust. Despite initial meetups going great and conversation flowing, she looks as though she genuinely desires a relationship with you, and then out of the blue you get hit with the "I'm just not ready for a relationship." Usually, women are told to judge a man by his actions, not his words. But on the flip side of things, it's the opposite for the guys. So men in this instance should judge a woman by her words, not her actions. So is she giving you girlfriend benefits, helping you physically, engaging with you on a deep emotional level, overall helping you to better yourself and make an impact in your life? If yes, she is telling you her emotional commitment is fading because she doesn't feel the spark anymore. Yet she doesn't want to walk away because she genuinely likes you. This is your warning to step up and fight for what you have and chase her so that she knows you care and appreciate her. I don't have any emotional baggage. The reality is that we all carry emotional baggage, and acknowledging it is the first step towards growth. When she denies having any emotional baggage, it may indicate a lack of self-growth, meaning she will display emotionally immature behaviour down the line and possibly jeopardise the relationship through her own self-destructive behaviour. In short, thought if she denies that she wasn't to blame for any past breakups and that she carries no baggage, she is therefore more willing to chase her. An emotionally healthy person understands that self-growth is a continuous process, and being vulnerable about our less than perfect parts is more attractive than actually denying that they exist. Important thing to understand is we are all a result of our past choices, and fundamentally it's how we view the past in the present that determines if we have moved on or if we are still stuck. A woman, I want you to be the reason I drop down my walls, and I want you to put in the effort so I can love and be loved. It's really code for everyone before you hasn't been great, and I want you to know that although now you have mastered all of her lies to get you to chase her, why not dive a little deeper? Signs that she thinks you are good looking, or discover the things that women do when you are on their mind. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.